Hello all, we have this problem with us. This is a geometry problem and it all actually depends, it all actually relies on a certain theorem. That is, what is the sum of interior angles of a polygon? Sum of interior angles, right? Interior angles of a polygon. Now notice that I am saying polygon, not a regular polygon. This applies to all type of all type of polygons, okay? But here it is just regular polygons, but this particular formula applies for all type of polygons, okay? So that is going to be n minus 2 into 180 degree. So this is the idea around which we will solve this problem. Now let us say what is being given, that there are two regular polygons with sides. What are the sides? A and B, and there is a relationship between these two, that is A 2A equals to B basically. Okay, so that is the relationship that is given. Now see, we have to first form the equation. There are three steps of solving a problem: reading and understanding it, that is the first step. Second step, forming the equations. Third step, solving the equations. Okay, all right. Now what is being given, that for each interior angle of B is 3 by 2 times each interior angle of A, right? So what will be the measure of each interior angle of polygon B? B means with side B. Okay. So that is, with this formula we can write that sum of all the interior angles will be B minus 2 into 180 degree, right? This is for what? This is for what polygon? This is for polygon B. Okay. Now this, and since it is a regular polygon, all the interior angles will be equal. So we will say each angle will be this for B, right? And for A we can write the same thing, just replacing B with A. Okay, so this is A minus 2. Sorry, I will not change the color just to not confuse anyone. Okay, anyway, this is A minus 2. Okay, I have to still change this, right? So this is for polygon A. Okay, all right. A minus 2 into 180 degree and by A. Now this B is 3 by 2 times that of A. So we have formed the equation. But have we? First of all, we have to replace these B's and A's. But before replacing, we can just cancel out these 180 degrees, right? We'll cancel out this 180 degrees just to make our equations better represented. Okay. Anyway, after that, we will replace this formula, this this equation 2A equals to B, right? So this is 2A minus 2 by 2A, right? And 180 degree we have already gotten rid of that, 3 by 2, and here it is A minus 2 by A. Okay. Now this 2A, again this 2A gets completely cancelled by this 2 and this A. So the equations that we are left with, that is simply 2A minus 2 equals to 3A minus 6, right? And we can solve it here only. A equals to 4. Okay, so we have gotten this we have gotten A equals to 4. So because A equals to 4, we can replace this in here. So B equals to 8. We have gotten both of these right now. Okay, so A equals to 4, B equals to 8. So we have to read the problem better. So what is the problem? So problem is saying, what the problem wants us to find is that a polygon with A plus B sides. So what is A plus B? A plus B is 12, and then also there is a regular polygon, and we have to find out what is the measure of one interior angle. Okay, again we will follow the same step. What is the total? So I will write the formula again here, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? So that is the sum of all internal angles. Now we have the total, the polygon has a side 12 for our question, so that is 12 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is going to be the sum of all internal angles, right? Now what we have to do, because it is a regular polygon, just to find one internal angles measure, we have to divide it by the total number of sides again, right? Total number of sides or angles, right? So turns out to be this turns out to be 10 into 180 degree by 12. Now if you calculate this, first this cancels out to 15 and it becomes 150 degree. Okay, so that is the answer, and this is how you solve this problem. So main idea is this formula. Okay, so this formula is sum of all internal angles of any polygon, be it regular or non-regular. And the second idea is basically, that is a minor idea, but second idea is basically for a regular polygon, all the internal angles will be equal. Okay. Hopefully you like the video. Share and subscribe if it adds value to you. And see you in another video with another problem. Okay. Thank you for watching.